Hi folks, Danny Swibel here, Senior Manager, Customer Marketing and Enablement. Let's look at what happens when you take one single lecture and use Kaltura to transform it into multiple formats. Shorter clips, summaries, quizzes, captions, translations, all making it more accessible, searchable, and easy for students to navigate anytime, anywhere. Meet Mia. She's a busy second-year student balancing two jobs. With Kaltura, her leadership course library is a one-stop hub. Long lectures, micro-lessons, playlists, all organized, chaptered, captioned, scannable, and well-curated. But the real game changer is Jeannie, her personal AI tutor, available for her at all times, right from the course gallery. When she misses a class, wants to do a deep dive on a topic, or prep for her midterm, she asks Class Jeannie to prep her up. Jeannie analyzes the entire course library, then synthesizes all relevant information to what she's asked for into one coherent learning path, created just for her. It generates short flashcards and clips of her professors explaining the key concepts she needs to understand, and in the end, she asks Jeannie to quiz her on the subject and finds out exactly and how well she understood it instantly. Professor Henry is a perfectionist. He wants every lecture to be reusable and quality. Kaltura Room, built into his course gallery, makes it easy. It's his own branded, always ready virtual classroom. He sets it up once, uploads his slides, and when class starts, he just clicks through his storyboard. His notes scroll beside him, layouts switch on their own, and when it's time to discuss, he opens a whiteboard. Or splits a class into breakout groups, all in one click. The whole session is recorded, polished, and ready to use. When he's on campus, Lecture Capture starts recording him without needing to do anything. It's pre-scheduled. It's recording the lecture slides and the room in multiple streams. No tech skills needed. Just walk in and teach. The recording uploads automatically, ready to reuse and enrich. Michelle, the instructional designer, takes it from there. She hits Create with AI and instantly adds captions, audio descriptions, translations for global reach. She enriches the metadata, so videos are fully searchable. And next, she generates chapters and summaries, giving structure so students can skip straight to what they need. Then she clips 5-minute micro lessons, proven to boost engagement and completion. The same lecture now lives in Merton's paid certification hub, bundled with other micro courses into a leadership credential. Alumni and lifelong learners come back for skill-based certification, a new revenue stream, powered by the same content and repurposed for maximum reach. Meanwhile, Kaltura Analytics show exactly what's working. Michelle sees which parts students engage with and where they dropped off, and optimizes the content accordingly. Mia sees it all too. Her student dashboard shows her engagement, quiz scores, and Jeannie uses this data to suggest new clips and quizzes, personalized to how she learns best. So with Kaltura, one lecture becomes so much more. Live or recorded, instantly enriched, reused, extended, powering personalized learning and fueling an entire content strategy that helps institutions scale and grow. One unified video campus for students, faculty, and the university.